now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We just gonna keep it under a minute because I know somebody I wasn't gonna review these, but some people were talking about them and some people asked me some details about them, so here it is. The Jordan 1 origin story, based off the new Spider-Man. This is the pair that Miles actually wears in the movie, and so I mean, it's a cool idea that Jordan Brand came out with them. I'm not gonna rock them, but it has this unique detail on the red, but other than that, it's pretty much just your normal Jordan 1. Blue Nike Air tab up on the front, and then the icy bottom. It's a dope shoe. Everything else is just Jordan 1, same Jordan 1 box. Comes with some red laces with blue tips. So yeah, it's a clean shoe though. Spider-Man origin story in theaters. So watch it, rock these, do whatever you want, man.